Hi, this is a Westclox travel alarm clock. It's one of the older models. I am not sure what year. It's got this cool snake skin outside. It just folds up like this when you want to store it. It just looks like maybe like a makeup thingy. Then when you want to put it up, you just snap on that tab right there and got an alarm clock. It's set at the right time right now. It's 7:10 right now. Right there is how you turn the alarm on, as you can see by the on and off. That's on, that's off. Set alarm in the center one is set the time, and this is the wind up, and then that's just speed of the clock. Okay, so I'll let you hear the alarm right now. Hold on. Let me just... Hold on 1 second. Okay, hold on. Alright, so... I use these when I wake up for school, because even though they're tiny, they have such big sound, and they don't have that annoying loud ticking as the big ones do. So it's just a win-win. So there's that travel alarm clock. Hope you like this video. I'll be putting more travel alarm clocks up for you, and maybe some older wind-up clocks. So stay tuned. There's more where that came from. Thank you.